Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2012 Chevy Impala and I will show you the vacuum pump, fuse and relay location. This video will apply to Chevy Impalas made from 2006 all the way up to 2013 and Chevy Impala Limited made from 2014 to 2016. Both the vacuum pump, fuse and relay will be located in the main fuse box under the front hood, which is located right here next to the vehicle battery. Now to remove the cover, you will have two black tabs, one on the right side and one on the left side. So just pull up on each of the tabs to unlock it and then pull the cover towards yourself. On the back side of the cover you will also have a small fuse diagram which can come in handy. Vacuum pump fuse is located right here and it's a 20 amp yellow fuse, and the vacuum pump relay, it's this one in the top left corner. Now best way to test it, just try to switch it with one of the other relays of the same kind and see if that makes any difference. If it does, just buy a new relay, it costs a couple of dollars, and replace it. Okay, thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.